In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit header and footer in Elementor. By the end, you'll feel confident updating your site's top and bottom sections without touching any code. First, head to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click Appearance, then choose Header Footer Builder. Depending on your setup, this option may also appear under a Turbo Add-ons menu. Either way, you're looking for the place that manages your global header and footer, so changes apply across your site. On the screen that loads, you'll see entries for header and footer. Pick the one you want to work on and click Edit with Elementor. This opens the Elementor editor, where you can see a live preview and a panel of widgets on the left. Let's start with the logo. Click the logo widget in your header to select it. In the left panel, choose a new image if you're updating your branding and adjust the size and alignment so it sits nicely within the header. It's a good idea to make sure the logo links to your homepage for easy navigation and to add helpful alt text for accessibility. Next, update your menu. Click the navigation menu widget. In the settings, select the correct menu from the dropdown if you have multiple menus created in WordPress. You can switch layouts, adjust spacing between items, and style colors and typography so the links are readable against your header background. If your header includes a mobile toggle, you can preview tablet and mobile views in Elementor to ensure the menu looks clean and easy to use at smaller sizes. If your design includes a call to action button, select the button widget. Change the text to something clear and action-oriented, paste the link you want it to go to, and refine the style. Strong contrast, consistent padding, and a hover effect help it stand out without overwhelming the rest of the header. For social icons, click the Social Icons widget. Add or remove platforms to match your active channels, update each link to point to the correct profile, and keep the icon style consistent with your brand. You can also set links to open in a new tab so visitors don't lose their place on your site. When you're happy with your adjustments, click Update in the Elementor panel to save your changes. That's it. Your header or footer is now refreshed and live. Repeat the same process for the other section if needed. Open it with Edit with Elementor. Make your logo, menu button, and social icon updates and click Update to finalize.